This isn't just a classic sedan, this is the 1971 Ford XY Falcon GS Fairmont, a rare Aussie muscle car that blends raw V8 power with luxury like nothing else. Stick around, because you're about to see why this iconic ride still turns heads over 50 years later. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel, because today we're diving into a legendary piece of Australian automotive history, the 1971 Ford XY Falcon GS Fairmont Sedan. This isn't just any classic car. This is a rare combination of performance, style, and luxury that defined an era and still turns heads today. The XY Falcon series, produced between 1970 and 1972, was Ford Australia's response to a rapidly evolving car market where muscle, sophistication, and everyday usability all needed to coexist in one package. And the GS Fairmont Sedan perfectly exemplifies that balance. When you first lay eyes on the 1971 XY GS Fairmont, the subtle yet aggressive styling cues immediately stand out. Unlike the standard Falcon, the GS variant came with sporty touches that gave it a road presence far beyond its size. Dual headlamps, a distinctive grille, and the iconic hood scoop announced that this is no ordinary family sedan. The Fairmont trim, meanwhile, adds a level of refinement that was rare for performance cars of this era. You're talking wood grain accents, plush seats, and a cabin designed with comfort and style in mind. It was a car that could handle the weekend track and the weekday commute with equal ease. Under the hood, the XY GS Fairmont Sedan was nothing short of spectacular. While many think muscle cars have to be loud and raw, this sedan managed to combine performance with elegance. It was available with the legendary through Tusia, a 4.9L Cleveland V8 engine, producing upwards of 240 horsepower in its standard form, with optional higher performance variants that could easily push past 300 horsepower. That might not sound earth-shattering by modern standards, but for a sedan of this size in 1971, it was exhilarating. The engine note is pure nostalgia, deep, throaty, and unmistakably Australian muscle. And paired with a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic transmission, it delivered an experience that felt both raw and controlled. Driving this car is like holding a piece of history in your hands while simultaneously feeling the adrenaline of its performance. The chassis of the XY GS Fairmont Sedan is another reason this car has stood the test of time. Built on Ford's robust Falcon platform, it offered a balanced ride that was stable high speeds but also surprisingly comfortable on regular roads. Front disc brakes, power-assisted steering, and heavy-duty suspension components made it a sedan that could tackle tight corners without sacrificing composure. Unlike some muscle cars that were all show and little go, the XY GS Fairmont was engineered to be a daily driver that could still satisfy your inner speed demon. Inside, the Fairmont's luxury touches are immediately evident. High-quality materials, attention to detail, and a driver-focused layout make the cabin feel more like a premium European sedan than an Aussie muscle car. The seats are supportive yet comfortable. The dash features classic analog gauges with a sporty twist, and optional extras like an AM radio, air conditioning, and even a center console emphasized convenience. You could take this car on a long road trip without feeling like you were compromising comfort for performance. This combination of luxury and muscle is exactly what set the XY GS Fairmont apart from other sedans of its time. One of the most remarkable things about this model is its rarity. The GS Fairmont Sedan was produced in limited numbers, making it a highly sought-after collector's item today. While XY Falcons in general are celebrated, the GS Fairmont brings a unique mix of exclusivity, performance, and sophistication that appeals to collectors and enthusiasts alike. It's not just about the numbers, it's about owning a piece of Australian motoring history that embodies the spirit of innovation, design, and ambition of the early 1970s. Aesthetically, the XY GS Fairmont Sedan has a timeless design. From the sweeping body lines to the slightly flared wheel arches and chrome accents, every angle of this car has been carefully crafted. The subtle badging on the grille and the rear trunk hint at its GS pedigree without shouting about it. It's the kind of car that looks just as elegant parked at a classic car show as it does tearing down a coastal highway, and the Fairmont trim ensures that even standing still, The interior luxury and exterior detailing make it impossible to ignore. Restoring an XYGS Fairmont sedan is a labor of love. Original parts can be rare, and achieving the perfect balance of performance, aesthetics, and originality takes dedication. But for those who invest the time, the rewards are immense. The car not only becomes a rolling tribute to Ford Australia's golden era of automotive engineering, but also a potential investment as these models continue to appreciate in value. Driving one today, you get a tangible connection to the past, an experience that is increasingly rare in a world dominated by modern, soulless machines. Another fascinating aspect of the XYGS Fairmont sedan is its versatility. Unlike typical muscle cars, which are often purely for weekend enjoyment, this sedan was designed for real-world usability. You could comfortably carry a family, head out on long trips, or even use it as a stylish daily driver. But when you press down on the accelerator, the GS engine comes alive, reminding you why Ford decided to marry luxury and performance in the first place. It's that duality that makes this car so special. It's not just a collector's piece, it's a car that was built to be driven, experienced, and enjoyed. Over the years, the XYGS Fairmont sedan has earned its place in automotive history, not just as a rare model, but as an icon of Australian car culture. It represents a time when manufacturers were experimenting, pushing boundaries, and appealing to enthusiasts who wanted more than just a mode of transport. It's about the excitement of driving, the pride of ownership, and the simple joy of a well-engineered machine. And when you see one on the road today, it still commands attention, respect, and admiration for car enthusiasts, collectors, and anyone who appreciates fine engineering. The 1971 Ford XY Falcon GS Fairmont Sedan is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's a bridge between performance and luxury, between past and present, and between raw power and refined comfort. Owning one is like holding a piece of automotive artistry, a machine that tells a story about ambition, innovation, and the golden age of Australian muscle. So, if you've ever dreamed of experiencing the perfect blend of classic design, performance, and sophistication, the XYGS Fairmont sedan should be at the top of your list. From its iconic styling to its robust V8 performance, luxurious interior, and collectible status, it embodies everything that makes classic cars so captivating. This car isn't just driven, it's experienced, cherished, and celebrated. And that's exactly why it deserves a place in every serious car enthusiast collection. In conclusion, the 1971 Ford XY Falcon GS Fairmont sedan is not just a vehicle, it's an icon. It's a testament to Ford Australia's dedication to building cars that were both fun to drive and comfortable to own. It's a machine that can make your heart race, your hands sweat, and your mind reminisce about an era when cars were built with character and soul. Whether you're a collector, a weekend warrior, or someone who simply appreciates the art of automotive engineering, the XYGS Fairmont Sedan is a masterpiece that continues to inspire and excite more than 50 years after it first rolled off the assembly line.